decimal multiplication and decimal division. I'm going to show you the easiest ways how to multiply decimals and get your answers back in decimals, and how to divide them. So the simple trick that I use is take a close look. For question number A, I would pretend that there's no decimal. I'm simply going to multiply 126 by 13 to get 6 times 3 is 18, 7 there, 3 there, 6 to 1. And when I add them, I'm going to get 8, uh, 7, 6, 13 there, and 6, and that's the way that I get it. Now I'm going to note how many decimal places had I ignored. So I just ignored 2 decimal places. My natural decimal lies to the rightmost side. I'm going to take it back 2 places to the left. And what do I get? I get 16.38. So this would be my answer to the first question, where I multiplied 1.26 by 13. And that's what I am supposed to get. Alright, next question, I'll just do the same thing. I'll pretend there's no 0.38. Instead of that, I'm just going to write a 38 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40, and 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 is 190. And then, because I had ignored 2 decimal places, I'm just going to start from the very right side and go 2 places to the left to get me a 1.90. That is the answer for part B of this question. All right, now let's see. Next, I have 14 being divided by 0.2. I'm just going to write them down out as a fraction, and my main purpose here is to get rid of this decimal here in the denominator. So in order to do that, I would have to multiply both sides by a 10. I get 140 over 2. When I divide, I get 70. So the answer to this one should be a 70 there. And then in the end, I again have 0.15 being divided by 0.5. Get rid of the decimal, but I have 2 decimal places for the numerator and 1 decimal places for the denominator. So I just have to, because I need to get rid of the denominator, the decimal, I get 15 as the numerator and 50 as the denominator. Simplify both sides by 5, 3 over 10, which gets me to a 0.3. Hope you understood all these concepts, and thank you for watching.